I put this one in, this slide, because it's always a bit of a surprise to people. This is our digital connectivity. And basically, wherever you see the red blob on there, means that you aren't going to get any decent broadband. And unfortunately, on this kind of scale, it picks up the problem. But if you actually drill down into this map in a lot more detail, you'd find a lot more bits of red would start to show up. And the argument we're now running is that for a building, you need electricity, you need water. But we're now arguing you need connectivity as well. It is actually an essential utility. And without that, the building is actually worthless. Now, how do we get that kind of connectivity in place? And we're still wrestling with this at the moment. And you know, if I came back here in a year's time, I might have an answer for you. But at the moment, it's still a difficult question. Because it's about, it's partially a function of the market. It's partially a regulatory issue. It's very complicated because it's not just about availability, it's about affordability and deliverability and these other things. And so it's quite a complex thing to work through. And I think where we're heading is that we're heading towards a certification system for buildings so that you will be a 5-star building. That means you've got decent connectivity. And we will try and create a market which brings pressure to bear on the suppliers to actually deliver that connectivity that's needed. And this, by the way, is a problem not for big companies, ever. This is never a problem for big companies or government, because they can always pay the bill. This is a problem of small companies, SMEs, and about individuals, because, of course, so many of us work from home. It's about that. But it gives you some idea of the sort of challenges we were trying to pick up.